It ain't exactly where I want it, but it's still put it exactly where I want it. Just to prepare for it. I know it ain't exactly where I want it, but it's close. Like, y'all see how close I am? It's almost dead on. I'm leaving it off the moment. The next one. So if that's 5, this is 4. Can y'all see that? Let me see, make sure y'all can see that. No, y'all can't see that. There you go. Oh man, we had to take it to the shop. We changed the filters. We did a couple other things on the fuses. But ultimately, we had to get a higher person. What's the word? A better. Someone with more knowledge, someone that's got the capabilities. We took it to my boy's shop. We just dropped it off this morning. Because the AC is still not working. It kicked in a little better, so a few things we did to it, we helped it, but it's not the AC full blast that we needed. But appreciate you for asking, man. We stayed on it, did some tune-ups and changed some filters and fuses. Ultimately, still need somebody, a professional, somebody that's an expert in that field. All right, that one's in. Now I gotta get my low level again. We're gonna leave it alone. The other ones. I know, mobile.
I don't say mobile.
But it's mobile. Oh yeah, it is. Come on.
They got most of that new truck or something.
Nah, it's a different company.
They got their money up. I wonder why they chose that, because what I thought it is.
Nah, I don't know. Marcelo said it turned out to be the same.
Is it dries different?
It dries slower.
Remember? Yeah, that's what they want because it's hot.
Yeah.
It's smart. And the master son my thing on my hand. Well, it's smart.
That's how it is.
Did I want something? Hey, look. This is what I got so far. I want to slice some dice.
All right, Chester, we're gonna leave this alone for a minute. We there. Let's go around back. Let's see what they're talking about. We're gonna come lay with some more stone right here in a minute. Appreciate y'all for watching. Appreciate y'all being a part of this live. Y'all please subscribe. Hit the subscribe button.